Walking and jogging in the morning are two powerful ways to begin the day, and although they might seem similar at first, they provide different experiences and benefits that can strongly influence a person's physical health, mental well-being, and overall lifestyle. A morning walk offers a calm, peaceful start to the day, allowing the body to wake up gently as the fresh morning air fills the lungs and the quiet surroundings create a relaxing environment. Walking is a low-impact exercise, which means it is very gentle on the joints, making it suitable for almost everyone, including older adults, beginners, people with health concerns, or those recovering from injuries. It improves blood circulation, strengthens the heart, reduces the risk of heart disease, and increases oxygen flow to the brain, helping a person feel more alert, focused, and mentally ready for the day ahead. Walking in the morning also helps reduce stress, anxiety, and negative emotions, promoting calmness, positive thinking, and emotional stability. It is easy to maintain as a daily habit because it doesn't require too much physical effort, it doesn't cause extreme tiredness or soreness, and it can be done consistently without a high risk of injury. On the other hand, jogging in the morning brings a more powerful and energetic start to the day. Jogging is more intense than walking, which means it burns more calories in less time and is especially useful for people who want to lose weight, improve their fitness level, and build stamina more quickly. It strengthens the heart and lungs, increases endurance, and trains the body to handle greater physical challenges. Jogging also has strong mental benefits because it releases a higher level of endorphins, often called feel-good hormones, which boost mood, reduce stress, and create a sense of energy, motivation, and confidence that can stay with a person throughout the day. However, jogging is a high-impact exercise, meaning it puts more pressure on the knees, ankles, and hips, and if it is done incorrectly or without preparation, it can lead to discomfort or injury. People who are overweight, completely new to exercise, or dealing with joint problems may find jogging difficult at first and might need to start slowly or build strength through walking before progressing to jogging. Warm-ups, good shoes, and proper posture are important to stay safe while jogging. When comparing morning walking and morning jogging, the best option really depends on personal goals, health conditions, comfort level, and lifestyle. If someone wants something gentle, relaxing, and easy to maintain, morning walking is likely the best choice, as it supports good health, emotional balance, and long-term consistency. But if someone wants to push their body, build endurance, burn more calories, and feel a stronger burst of energy, morning jogging may be more effective. Many people even choose to combine both, starting with walking and slowly adding short jogging intervals as their body becomes stronger, which allows them to enjoy the benefits of both while staying safe. In the end, whether a person chooses to walk or jog in the morning, the most important thing is staying active, being consistent, and choosing an exercise that feels enjoyable and sustainable, because both walking and jogging help build a healthier body, a stronger mind, and a more positive start to every day.